How to fix Android USB connector connected disconnected problem. So does your phone started displaying USB connected and disconnected notification continuously in the notification panel, which was preventing the mobile phone from turning off the screen and the screen remain always on. So today I will fix this Android USB connector connected disconnected problem. So the first step is you have to change the charger. The notification might appear because you used high power adapter to charge your Android phone. So you have to try to attach other compatible chargers to your phone. If you don't have other chargers, you can try to attach the phone with PC USB port, which will start charging the smartphone. If the USB connector connected disconnected notification has been removed, then the problem is with the charger. So the second step is you have to enable USB debugging. For that, you have to go to your Android phone settings. Then you have to search for developer mode. On the search bar, you can easily search for developer option. Open the developer options and make sure to toggle on the button of developer option and turn on the developer mode on your Android device. Then you have to scroll down and locate USB debugging. Once you have turned on the button of USB debugging, so let's tap on OK button. Then scroll down again and select default USB configurations. And on this page, if you see the option of charging phone only, then you have to turn on that. Otherwise, you can also select no data transfer as well. Once you have done, you have to restart your phone. For that, you can hold on the power button and you can slide towards restart and restart your phone, and then try connecting your USB cable and see if this issue has been resolved or not. So following these two methods will help you fix Android USB connector connected disconnected problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.